Hi guys, this is Shop Member here and welcome to the product Foresaken Traffic. This is the members area of Foresaken Traffic and in this video I'll show you the product totally in detail. So firstly thank you that you are giving your precious time to watch the Foresaken Traffic review. So this is an info based product, that means information based product, and in this product or in this tool, in this info based tool, you will be given the whole key of affiliate marketing. Basically mainly the software affiliate marketing or the digital products affiliate marketing. Every steps will be given, like how you can start with the product, how you can get approval, how you can do the YouTube videos and hijack others traffic to get the traffic and to sell your product, like your own product, or to get affiliate commission from others product. And also that is an evergreen method that is working today and that will be working after 5 or 10 years also. Like this is an hijacking method, this is a hijacking method, so that will be clear to you inside this product. So before getting into this product, let me clear you that I will be giving you also some bonuses. That is one of my purposes to make this video. Like I will be clearing you the product and also I will be giving you the bonuses. So this product was previously launched. Let me show you the date. I forgot the date. Like 14th of September 9 a.m. EST, and the launch was very successful and also so many products were sold. So many copies were sold, like so many copies, more than thousands. Okay, so this is a relaunch of this product. I have not changed the date. Like this is a relaunch of this product and also the pricing is still same, and you can get the tool, the key of affiliate marketing. So let me show you the sections or the subtopics inside the topics. So the first section is 300,000 bucks a month, and also welcome and intro, and also the overview. And inside main training, the main stuffs are coming, like 99% approval chance, and also the magic will be happening, the YouTube video method, and also link shortening method, and also tracking, and also driving your traffic to your product or to your page, review page basically. And the thing is, these are the upgrades. So these are the main course, and this tool is really cheap and there is nothing much to show you. You can get the affiliate marketing key or successful affiliate marketing from the top marketers. This is a very big marketer, like his name is Philip Johansson and he is a very big marketer. He will be teaching you every steps inside digital affiliate marketing, inside software affiliate marketing, which I have been following for so many days, the same method. Okay, and I am also getting results. So let me now show you my bonuses. So this is a review page, or this is a product information page. You can get all of the descriptions about this tool inside this page. And also the thing is, what I think about this product, I have written here. This is my word, and let me show you the software now. These are the funnel breakdowns, and this product is very cheap, and I strongly recommend this product to any newbie marketer, not any moderate marketer. Those who are starting their marketing career or have started a month or 2 months ago, they can easily afford this product to get the key or the thing, or to save their time to use this. Okay, so these are the bonuses that are coming by default. I have written here by default these are coming with the product. Like these are the bonuses: hot selling e-com items, 0-hour workdays, Bing ads course, unlimited content, secret weapon. And these are the by default bonus. From anywhere you can purchase the product, you will be given these bonuses. And the next thing is, these are my bonus. Like every bonuses mentioned here will be given to you totally free. I have been collecting these bonuses for so many days, and I am working on this field more than 10 months. Okay, so the good bonuses are gathered in one place, and that will be given to you totally free once you have just purchased the product from my website. Okay, so this is not ending here. So more 100 products will be given to you, like the software stuffs, like the plugins, SEO stuffs, like image pack, music pack, like everything will be given to you. An all-in-one pack, like box will be given to you. totally free once you have just purchased it from my website. And if you are really want to pursuing affiliate marketing, this tool will be very profitable for you. Okay, so knowledge is the key of success, I think. So or the second thing you can do, that you can spend your so many time inside YouTube or inside some other free steps, and you can get the also the same thing. You can get also same thing. I have done the second. I have gone through the second way, because I cannot afford that much money. Well, like 12 buck is more very much for me. I am from India, so you can get the second way, or you can get the first way if you have money. Rather wasting the money inside some pizza, you can afford this tool very easily. So that was my view about this tool and also the bonuses. So I think I should leave now. I have convinced you the tool, so I'm signing out. I'm wrapping up the video. So bye bye.